everyone. Today on Hello Susan, we're going to start a new journal. I'm using Christmas Holly. This time it's a Hello Susan digital kit. It is available at payhip.com. I'll have a link below in case you want to make one too. So let's go ahead and get started. We've got a lot of goodies around the papers. So let's go ahead and take a look at the papers first. And then I'll show you some of the trims and ideas that I have for the journal going forward. See if I can move all that out of the way just enough for us to see these. And I can probably go in just a little bit closer. There we go. Okay, so this kit has predominantly holly, which that's how I got the name, but it also has greens and pinks. So it's going to be very feminine, and I love all the roses, and I love pink in Christmas journals. So this is the first page. Here's the second page. This is kind of fun, isn't it? Santa Claus, and look at those pretty pink poinsettias. Very traditional Christmas, I believe. Here's some angels. It says, believe in the magic. It's got birds and butterflies and all the Christmas elements. Here's a cardinal and some ornaments. Here's a calendar for December. It says, it is Christmas in the heart that puts Christmas in the air. Isn't that pretty? I love it. All the different layering. A little kitty up there. Jingle bells music. And now here's your ephemera. So you get 5 sheets of journal pages. And then this is your ephemera, belly band, tags, and journal cards. That's on cardstock. Some more tags. And some ephemera to cut out so you can decorate. Now you get also 3 background pages with this kit. So you can make your pockets, tags, journal cards, belly bands, whatever you come up with, envelopes. This is the first one. And this is the second one. It's got the angels on it and the bells. And this is the third one. I think it's going to make a fantastic, beautiful journal. Can't wait to get started on it. So let me show you some of the things that I'm going to use. I went to the thrift store and I found this curtain. Can you believe I paid $1 for this curtain? And it has a toile design, but it's the cream and green. So that's what I'm going to cover it with. And then as far as decoration, I found this at the same thrift store for 50 cents. And of course, it's a crocheted doily. Here's a pink poinsettia that I have that I probably will put that on the front someplace. I've got this trim that's got beads and sequins on it, so that's going to be pretty. Look at this, all just layering up how beautiful that is. I also found these little appliques. It's got pink flowers. I am going to predominantly do pink. I am going to do touches of red, but very little. Predominantly it's going to be pink and green and creams. And then I've got this for the closure. And let's see, here's some more trim. Isn't that pretty? Doesn't it all just go so wonderful together? Can get a good feeling about it. Got some pink glitter. It took me a little while to find some glitter that wasn't bubblegum pink. And this is more like a rosy pink. So I think that's going to be pretty. And I have this trim, and I wanted to show you, this is how it comes. Let me move this over just a little bit so you can see. So this is how it comes. But what I did was I just put little cut marks and then ripped and cut and ripped and cut and ripped so that I came up with all of this, because I want to use, oh, let me get it in the camera here. I want to use this trim on edges of pages and tags and everything so that the whole book looks cohesive, but I didn't have enough if I left it this size. So I just ripped it all up so I could make a bunch of trims. So that's an idea for you. So this is how the book is going to go. I hope you're going to love it. I think I'm going to enjoy making it. So the next time I see you will be when I show you the finished project. So see you next time. Thanks for joining me today. Bye-bye.